cardboard, and my mom poked holes in it, which you need that to stick the flowers. We also have different colored flowers. We have purple, yellow, white, and blue. So you're gonna need either markers or crayons to draw a vase at the bottom. I drew the outside of the vase, and now we are going to decorate the inside. So I drew my vase and I put some flowers and swirls. The next step is to get the flowers you picked and put them in the holes. And pull them back. Pull them back, and then there you go.